Today, we turn our attention to a remarkable book tackling a complex issue in Brazilian society. Dr. Luiz Valerio Trindade's No Laughing Matter, Race Joking and Resistance in Brazilian Social Media delves into the phenomenon of online racist hate speech targeting black women. Dr. Trindade reveals that the notion of racial prejudice concealed in jokes and memes against vulnerable social groups are not simply harmless humor. In fact, these apparently light-hearted jests reflect Brazil's deeply rooted discriminatory colonial ideologies, perpetuate enduring racial inequalities, and normalize white privilege. As such, No Laughing Matter explores how social media platforms create echo chambers of hate where these racist views proliferate. Unlike offline interactions, the online environment allows these harmful discourses to reach a wide audience and gain traction. The book argues that racist discourses on social media turn this digital technology into a sort of modern-day pillory and delegitimize black women's symbolic achievements and upward social mobility. Dr. Trindade's work is a wake-up call for Brazil, a nation often regarded as a model of post-racial society. This insightful book is a valuable resource not just for scholars of race and media, but for anyone interested in understanding the complexities of Brazilian society and the current challenges faced by black women worldwide.